name is Shubharma. I study in class 7 and today I am going to tell you about how can we make an electromagnet at our home. Making electromagnet at our home is a very easy process. The materials you require for making the electromagnet are a battery, a long magnetic substance, a copper coil, magnetic materials like this pin. The first step is that you should wound this copper coil onto this long magnetic substance. As you can see over here that I have wound the coil of copper around this magnetic substance and connected it to the wires. I have already connected the coil to the wires, and these are the batteries which are going to provide the electric current for generating the magnetic field. As you can see over here, the magnetic substance has attracted the pin. As you can see over here, it has attracted the pin and the experiment is successful. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I am Karunya from grade 6B. So today I will be performing a science activity on test for fans. So the materials you're going to need are a small potato, powdered pulses, crushed cashew nuts, candle and 4 sheets of paper. So now let's begin with the activity. So label the 4 sheets as A, B, C and D. So in the A, put a small potato. In B, put the powdered pulses. And in paper C, put crushed cashew nuts. And leave the paper D empty. Now fold all of your papers this way. So now we have folded A, B and C. Now let's fold even D. Now take each of them and crush them. So we have completed A. Now crush B, which are the powdered pulses. Now crush C, which are cashew nuts. So now take a plate and then open all the papers. So this is paper A. Take the potato and put it on a plate. So now take paper B, the pulses and put it on a plate. Now take paper C, open it and put it on the plate. Now open paper D. So now observe all the papers clearly. So what do you observe in these papers? So paper A and B are plain. Paper C has some peculiar patches on it. Paper D has nothing. So now let's observe more about these peculiar patches. So what are these peculiar patches? So now let's test whether these peculiar patches are patches of oil or no. For this, take a candle, then pass it through the peculiar patches. Now you see a flash of light passing through these patches, and even the patches have become transparent. So this shows that these oily patches are formed because of fats. So thus we conclude that cashew nuts have fats in them. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So today we will be making a right angle tester. First what we will need is a circular sheet of paper like this. Fold it in an exact half. Fold it once again. That's all. Our right angle tester is ready. Now let's test it on few of the angles which we have drawn in our notebook. So as you can see, this angle ABC is 90 degrees, which means that it is an exact right angle. So now I am going to be making this line match with line BC. Once I made it match, I could see that line AB is also lining up perfectly with this line, which shows that the right angle tested actually works. Let's test it on a different figure. So now I have to make this line match with line YZ. Once I made it match, I could still see that line XY is sticking out like this. That is because angle XYZ is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are angles which are more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Now let's try it on a different figure. So I'm going to be matching this line with the line RS. Once I made it match, I still couldn't see line QR. To see line QR, I must fold the tester. That is because line angle QRS is an acute angle. Acute angles are angles which are less than 90 degrees. So this is how we test and make a right angle tester. Thank you. Good morning friends and teachers. My name is Anika. I study in Meridian School, Kukatpally, 5th grade. Today I'm going to be talking about angles. Angles are measured in degrees. An angle is formed when two rays meet at one point. There are 6 different types of angles in geometry. They are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and last but not least, full rotation. Let's talk about acute angles first. An acute angle is an angle which is in between 0 and 90 degrees. The blue part over here is an acute angle. An obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is nothing but it is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. The purple part over here is an obtuse angle. And a reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 degrees but it's less than 360 degrees. And now we come to a right angle. A right angle. You can see a right angle in your home almost everywhere. A right angle is nothing but two lines, one horizontal, one vertical, connecting at one center point. So now let's go to a straight angle. A straight angle is an angle which is simply a line. And now full rotation. A full rotation means that the face of an angle goes around the circle and comes back at the same direction. That is the full rotation of a circle. Thank you.